In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change page layout in WPS Office Mobile. This is a helpful feature when you are working on documents using your phone and need more space for wider content, such as tables, images, or formatted text. In this video, I will walk you through how to switch your page orientation from portrait to landscape and then back to portrait again using only the built-in options available in WPS Office Mobile. The process is simple, and once you understand where the settings are located, it becomes very easy to adjust your layout whenever needed. To get started, make sure you are already inside your document and in editing mode. At the bottom left corner of the screen, you will see the main menu option. Tap on that area to open the editing tools. Once the menu appears, look for the View tab and tap on it. This section controls how your document is displayed and formatted, so this is where page-related options are located. After opening the View tab, scroll down slowly until you find the Page Setup option. When you tap on Page Setup, a new set of layout settings will appear. Here, you will see the Orientation setting, which controls whether your page is displayed vertically or horizontally. By default, your document is usually set to Portrait. To change the orientation, tap the drop-down icon next to Orientation. You will now see the available options. Choose Landscape, then tap OK to confirm your selection. As soon as you do this, you will notice that the page layout updates immediately. Your document is now displayed in landscape mode, giving you more horizontal space to work with. If you decide that you want to return the page back to portrait mode, the steps are exactly the same. Go back to the bottom left menu, tap the View tab, scroll down to Page Setup, and open the Orientation setting again. From the drop-down, select Portrait, then tap OK. The page will instantly switch back to its original vertical layout. This method allows you to quickly adjust your page layout depending on how your content needs to be presented. Whether you are reviewing, editing, or formatting your document, knowing where this setting is can save you time and make your work easier on mobile. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.